How to upload thumbnails for any YouTube video that you have uploaded. So hey guys, if you're also wondering how you can add a thumbnail for any YouTube video, then this video is for you. So all you need to do is simply follow these simple steps. So the first thing we need to do is open up our YouTube Studio application or the website. So in order to open this, if you are in a browser, so click onto the profile picture and then click onto the YouTube Studios option. Then once you're inside the YouTube studio, simply go to the content where you can access all the videos that you have uploaded in the past. So for example, let's say I'll choose this particular video to add any thumbnail. So in order to add a thumbnail to a previously uploaded video, you need to click onto this details option. Then once you're inside the video details, simply scroll down and from here you can see that under the thumbnail I have three options. The first is to upload a file. That means that if I have a separate thumbnail file and I want to upload it here, I can do that. And then next is the auto generated caption. So for example, the YouTube will provide me a set of three images which are the most suitable. So you can choose any of the image and then click on the done option. So for example, let's say this image. So here you can see right now this is the current thumbnail. So if I choose it to this, and then what I can do is click onto the done button, and here you can see that this will be the thumbnail. So if you want to apply these changes, you need to click onto the save button at the top, and here you can see that the video thumbnail has been successfully changed. So now if you want to change it to, let's say, a local thumbnail, or example you want to upload your own thumbnail, then what you can do is click onto the options and you can click onto the upload file option, and then from here you can choose any thumbnail which is stored into your device. So for example, let's say this is the thumbnail I want for this particular video. So what I'm going to do is select this and click on the open button, and here you can see that it is currently being uploaded. And once it has been uploaded, you can again click on the save button, and here you can see that the thumbnail for this video has been successfully changed. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.